product was gifted by Insta360.
Hey guys, how's it going? It is Junior with DupeTube. I want to talk to you guys about a special Black Friday sale that's going on right now with Insta360. We have the Insta360 X4, which is their latest and greatest 360 camera, and it is sitting on top of the invisible selfie stick. Now, what you can do right now, this deal is going on through December 5th. So what you're gonna get is this camera going on for 15% off. This invisible selfie stick that it is sitting on top of is going to be free, included with that deal. So let me show you some pretty cool things that this thing can do, including being able to track the entire environment. So we have this thing set up on a basketball court right now, and us and the team here are going to play a game of horse. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna win because I used to be a point guard back in high school, so let's go ahead and get started.
Now, setting up the camera on a selfie stick is great and all. There's so much more that this tiny little camera can do. It can act as a personal drone if you have no one else around to film you when you're out on your walks. It can act as a vlogging camera that can shoot up to 4K to capture those ever so precious moments. Did we mention that the selfie stick disappears by using Insta360's built-in software, making it easier than ever to film on the go? It also comes with 2 additional lens protectors to protect the lens that come with it default from scratches. And if that wasn't enough, it also shoots in 8K and is waterproof up to 33 feet.
Alright guys, remember it is 15% off until December 5th, and the sale is going on right now. You do get the free selfie stick included. This is not just a 360 camera. This also has the capability to be a 4K vlogging camera as well. As you can see through the footage, take advantage of this sale, guys, because it does not come around often. All right, I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Happy holidays, and we will see you in the next one.
And remember, this camera doesn't make you better at basketball.